Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about weather. Listen and learn with me. One sunny. The sun is shining. People wear sunglasses. Two cloudy. There are many clouds. People wear light clothes. Three rainy. It's raining. People use umbrellas. Four snowy. Snow is falling. People wear warm coats. Five windy. The wind is blowing. People hold their hats. Six foggy. It's hard to see. People drive slowly. Seven stormy. There's thunder and lightning. People stay inside. Eight hot. It feels very warm. People drink cold water. Nine cold. It feels very cold. People wear gloves and scarves. 10 warm. It's not hot, not cold. People wear light jackets. 11 freezing. It's very cold. People wear thick clothes. 12 icy. There is ice. People walk carefully. 13 humid. It feels wet and hot. People sweat a lot. 14 dry. There is no rain. The air feels dry. 15 breezy. A light wind is blowing. People feel fresh. 16 thunderstorm. There is thunder and rain. People close windows. 17 lightning. We see bright lights in the sky. People feel scared. 18 hail. Ice balls fall from the sky. People run inside. 19 overcast. The sky is full of clouds. People wait for rain. 20 drizzle. Light rain is falling. People wear raincoats. Great job. Now you know 20 weather words. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.